What if a $2 drink before bed could stop your blood sugar spikes and save your sleep? Welcome back to Silver Year's Kitchen. My cousin Mike, 58, was falling apart, waking up 5 times a night to pee, exhausted and scared of prediabetes. After 50, don't we all fear those creeping health bombs? Diabetes, heart trouble, or just feeling old? Mike found a bedtime trick that shocked everyone. But one part of it, salt, has doctors arguing. Is it genius or dangerous? Let's dive into his story. I visited Mike last month and he was sipping this odd drink, water with a splash of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of cinnamon. I thought, what's that? He said, this is keeping me alive. A year ago, Mike was a mess. He'd wake up every hour to pee, his blood sugar was creeping up, and he was so tired he'd nap in his car at lunch. His doctor warned him, prediabetes was knocking and if he didn't act, diabetes was next. Mike hated the idea of pills, so he started experimenting with drinks before bed to stabilize his blood sugar through the night. He tried 7 drinks and they changed everything. First, apple cider vinegar with cinnamon. A tablespoon in water. It cuts blood sugar spikes and keeps him full longer. Then, chamomile tea. Not just calming, it lowers cortisol, that stress hormone messing with his pancreas. Golden milk, turmeric and ginger in almond milk. Fights inflammation like a superhero. Aloe vera juice, he sips a tiny bit. It helps his insulin-making cells. Berberine tea, Mike calls it nature's metformin. No side effects. Electrolytes, magnesium and potassium, relax his body and store sugar better. And the wild one? A pinch of salt in his electrolyte drink. It sounds crazy. Diabetics are told to avoid salt. Mike's results were unreal. He sleeps through the night now, no bathroom trips. His blood sugar's steady, and he's got energy to spare. I dug into it. Cortisol spikes at night can crash your sugar, waking you up. These drinks keep it balanced. But here's the controversy, that salt trick. Online people went nuts. Some said it saved their sleep. Others screamed it's a heart attack waiting to happen. A doctor posted, salt raises blood pressure, avoid it. Mike countered, a pinch calms my stress and keeps me hydrated. Science backs him. Sodium can lower cortisol and prevent dehydration, which spikes sugar. Still, the debate's hot. Is Mike a genius or risking it all? I had to try it. I started with Mike's chamomile tea and a splash of apple cider vinegar. 2 weeks in, I'm sleeping deeper. No more 3 a.m. wake-ups. My energy's up and I feel younger. Mike's drinks aren't just tasty. They're a shield against aging's big hitters. Prediabetes, exhaustion, even heart risks. You don't need a pharmacy, just a grocery store. Walmart's got it all for a few bucks. So here's my challenge. Pick one of Mike's drinks, chamomile, vinegar, or even that salty electrolyte, and try it for a week. Does it work, or is it hype? Comment below. Are you Team Mike, sipping salt, or Team Skeptic, sticking to water? Got a bedtime drink that beats these? New videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Subscribe to Silver Year's Kitchen so you don't miss the next debate. Pin this video if you're ready to sleep better and fight aging. Let's settle this. Salt in or out?